Hey guys, today we're unboxing a folding wagon cart.
I've been using this double-decker wagon, and honestly, this thing is a workhorse. The first thing that sold me was the extra long lower shelf. It's significantly longer than most wagons I've owned, which makes a huge difference when you're hauling sports gear, training equipment, or awkward items that never seem to fit anywhere. With a 560-pound capacity, it feels solid and stable even when it's fully loaded. One feature I didn't know I'd appreciate as much as I do is the removable, washable fabric bag. Life gets messy, mud, grass, and spills, and being able to just take the fabric off and throw it in the wash is such a win. And once the cover is off, you've got an open frame that's perfect for oversized or oddly shaped items. I also love that this wagon is clearly designed with flexibility in mind. The do-it-yourself expansion option means you'll be able to add accessories like cup holders or hooks, which is great if you're using this for sports, errands, or outdoor events. It feels like something that can grow with your needs instead of being one purpose only. Setup is ridiculously easy. It unfolds and folds in under 10 seconds, no wrestling or pinched fingers, and when folded, it's compact enough to fit easily into the trunk or a closet. That alone makes it way more likely that you'll actually use it. The all-terrain wheels are another highlight. They roll smoothly over grass, gravel, and uneven surfaces, and the front brakes add a nice sense of security. Overall, this wagon feels sturdy, thoughtfully designed, and genuinely useful. For sports, outdoor activities, or everyday hauling, this wagon delivers way more convenience than I expected, and has quickly become one of those things I reach for all the time. All in all, a fantastic product. I plan on using this all summer when we go to the beach or our other adventures.